Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about that Maven wrapper. So I have downloaded one a Spring Boot a startup project from this a Spring Boot initializers. So a Spring Boot initializers. So from where we will download that one initial project, and type of the project is Maven or Gradle, whatever you want, and the language is Java. Select the version of a Spring Boot and give the group ID, artifact, whatever you want. So group ID is nothing but your organization domain in the reverse way. So suppose your organization is like google.com, then com.google you have to enter as a group ID in the reverse way. And the description is nothing but that meaningful and readable name of the project, about the project, package name, and I selected the Java version, which version you are the requirement you have. So you can select that version of the Java, and the packaging is a jar. So whenever you have to quickly set up your this Spring Boot Maven project, then you can come to the start IO Spring initializer and you can do that, right? So let's go and see. So I have the same thing here. I have downloaded and imported as a Maven project, which already I have in my workspace. And we will learn about the Maven wrapper. So Maven wrapper, why Maven wrapper is required, what is the importance of Maven. So I will explain one by one. So you can see MVNW Maven wrapper. This is for the shell script. So system who the support that shell script for that system, that is this command, and this is for cmd mvnw.cmd for the Windows system, right? So we know that. So this is for the CMD to run that Maven wrapper in the Windows system. This is for that Linux, Unix, Mac, whatever. All right. So Maven wrapper is why it is important. Maven wrapper is required for that if you are not sure about the version of the Maven which we have to install, or we don't have the rights to install in our system, like some of the organization is blocking the developer to don't download that software from the internet. Whatever required, they have to write the request, but sometimes it's a bit confusing which version we have to write the request, and like how the teams and the other development teams they are using, which version of the Maven they are using. So to resolve all this conflict, better option we go with the Maven wrapper. So also we can see one.mvn directly. Let's see what we have. So open this. So most, yes, so this is the most important. So this is the Maven wrapper properties. So we have the distribution URL which will tell us that from where it will download that Maven and that version of that Maven, right? So we can see this is that it will 3.9.5. So let's see that what is the latest version of this Maven from that Maven repository. So let's copy, go to here and search here. Let's see. Yeah, so these are the distribution list of the Maven. We can see 3.638 3.9.5. This is the latest one, which is the stable one. Alpha will not follow the alpha because alpha is still is not stable. The alpha means that still in the testing, in the bug fixing, it is not announced as a stable version, right? So that's why it's so 3.9.5 is the stable version. So it will download this distribution, and it will download for the 3.9.5 bin.zip file, right? Now let's go to the project. So we have the project, right? So let's see that how we will build this project, because I will also, so you might also we have the question that you have the Maven setup initially or not, right? So let me confirm you guys, I don't have the local setup of the Maven. So let's see to confirm this. Yeah, so we can see there is no Maven setup, initial setup, right? So if you don't have the Maven setup, we cannot run the Maven command, right? So how to achieve this one? Also I will show you the .m2 folder. Like let's see that already that this distribution list Maven wrapper is downloaded or not, right? So I'm just showing all this. Yeah, so we don't have anything, right? Even there in the repository there is no dependency yet downloaded, even there is no distribution, so that totally m2 is empty, right? Now I will show how to do this. So we will run the maven wrapper command, right? Now let's run this mvnw, and we'll run it, will download and run the application together, right? So I'm just doing this. Let's see. So maven wrapper, basically it will help to not only the developer, right? It will help even to everyone, like the you don't know that the setups, right? So that's why it's quite important to know everyone that if we don't have that maven in our system, we don't have the setup, we don't have in the class path, how we'll run the maven existing maven project, right? When we are doing the setup of that already existing project or the new project. So this is the best way to avoid the installation of that maven, right? And for use only the maven wrapper. So anyone can use and run in any system without the setup of the maven. That is the advantage of the maven wrapper, right? So let's see, it's downloading all the dependency. We will see that application is running or not. Let's see, it's created a directory in that .m2 folder or not. Yeah, so you can see here, initially we don't had anything under the repository, even it's created one more directory, that wrapper, and under the wrapper it's downloaded the distribution list. So let's see. Yeah, so perfect. So it's downloaded the 3.9.5 bin, which we have seen in that properties file, right? So you can see it downloaded that zip file, right? So it will do for us, we no need to do the setup and anything, right? So I think it's clear to everyone how the maven wrapper is works, right? And help it. Yeah, now you can see also application is started on the port 808 and started in that with the context was empty, and it is started in 0.90 seconds, 06 seconds, right? So there is no issue in the application. So in that way we can use the maven wrapper to build the project if you don't have the rush to do and install that maven manually, right? And even if you are not sure about which version of the maven we have to download, right? So in all this scenario it will help to us. Thank you, thank you for everyone to watching this.